Okay, so here's how you go about completing the questions here that have a document to them instead of just a regular form. The first one you're going to come across, we'll use it as an example, and that's Divergent, right? It's level D, it's a third unit in, it's the first one you're going to encounter. So here's what you're going to do. You might have done it already, no problem, that's great. So of course you make a copy of this document that you see down below by clicking where it says here. You click that, it brings you to a new tab, you click Open Document, and it's going to make a new version of this question sheet here in your own Google Drive. Alright, that's what it says right here in the red. It makes a new copy for you. It's going to look like this. It's going to say name and then Divergent. And then, like it says here, change the name to your name, which is covered in another how-to video. But to submit it now, let's say you've gone through, here's your document, you completed all the questions. Now the question is, how do you hand this in? Right? How do you submit it to your teacher? Well, that's what going back to the site here, that's what this blue submit button is for. When you click that, it will bring you to a Google form. So you enter in the usual information, last name, first name, email address, teacher, coach, and this is the key here, okay? This is where you're going to need to paste the link in to your document. And this is what you do to do that. Go back to your document, which I have now. Now you can see in the upper right here, alright, you might not have all this other stuff going on, but in the upper right you'll have this share button. And you can see there's a lock there. That means only you can see it. If you click that, you can now add people to see your document. So you could type in people's names if you wanted to. Right here, Mrs. Fun Rouge comes up, and you could give them specific access. But the easier thing to do, so it doesn't matter who accesses it, is go click on Advanced. And now where it says Private, only you can access, you're going to change this. And you're going to make it so anybody with the link can open it. Alright? Now you want your teacher to be able to see this document and make comments back to you. So you don't want them just to view it. That means they can't do anything to it. So you're going to click Can Comment. That way the teacher, coach, can give you some critiques back on what you wrote. So we have anyone with a link can comment, save. Now you'll see it gives you confirmation here. Anyone with a link can comment, right? And you will show up and you're done. So now it's changed. You can see there's a little link button to show you what you've done. Now what you'll do is to finish filling out this form that we were looking at, where it says copy and paste the web address or URL to your document that you completed. That's right here. The URL web address is up here in this bar where you normally type in websites. So you're going to select all of this. Control C is copy. I just press Control C on my keyboard. Or you could just do a right click and click copy. Okay. So honestly, Control C I think should be fine. Go back to your entry where you'd put all your information. Click here, Control V, or right click and paste. You can see it's going to paste in the link to your document. So when you click submit, the teacher will be able to see the link to your document and access it, and if you made it so they can comment, they will be able to make comments back to you on that exact document. Okay? Hopefully all goes well. Of course, if not, please feel free to ask questions to any teacher coaches or submit a technical issue.